In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use long position tool in TradingView. The long position tool is a simple way to plan a trade directly on your chart. It helps you visualize where you want to enter, where you'd like to take profit, and where you'll place a stop loss, while showing your potential risk to reward at a glance. Remember, this is a planning and analysis overlay. Using it does not place a live order with your broker. Start by opening TradingView and loading the chart for the market you want to analyze. Any symbol works here. Make sure you're on the time frame that matches your plan, because your take profit and stop loss distances will look very different on, say, a 5-minute chart versus a daily chart. Next, look to the left toolbar and select the long position tool. It sits with the drawing and measurement tools. When it's selected, your cursor will be ready to place a position template on the chart. Click once on the chart to drop the tool. Aim to click around your intended entry price. You'll see a box with a green area above and a red area below. The middle line represents your entry, the top of the green area is your take profit, and the bottom of the red area is your stop loss. As soon as it appears, you'll notice labels on the price scale and small readouts showing percentage move, price levels, and a live risk to reward ratio. Now, set your target. Click and drag the top green boundary to the level where you'd want to take profit. As you drag, watch how the risk to reward ratio updates. Align this with a logical area on your chart, such as a previous high or a key resistance zone. If you're working with multiple timeframes, it helps to verify that your target makes sense on a higher time frame as well. Next, adjust your protection. Click and drag the red area downward to set your stop loss. Position it at a level that would tell you the idea is invalid if price reaches it, often below a recent swing low, a support area, or a moving average you respect. Keep an eye on the ratio. Many traders prefer a minimum of 1-to-1 or better, but choose what fits your strategy. You can move the entire tool by dragging the center line if your entry shifts and zoom in for precise placement. Use the price scale to confirm exact levels. When you're done, you have a clear visual plan, entry, target, and stop, all measured and easy to review. Practice this on different charts to build confidence and consistency.